Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VCEL. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today, not only from a volume perspective, but you look down here, not only from a price perspective, which you can see up there, but you look down here at the volume, and you can see it was firing on both cylinders. Big volume, nice price action, and there's no doubt about it, the price made a breakout move. Breakout move of what? Well, if you look here, and this is just going to be a real poor man's version of the pattern, but you had this pattern right here that was essentially taking place. And then, like I said, you got the breakout of it here. And this all matters because the very logical question at this point is, hey, it broke out, but is there any sort of true power behind this breakout? Is there any sort of genuine momentum, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward in terms of, does this breakout actually have more power behind it? And that is where this level here at $3.70 comes into play. Why is $3.70 so important? How can it help us answer this question? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that a breakout that's a true breakout is going to keep on breaking out. Or in other words, the price is going to keep on making progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a breakout is truly a breakout, it's going to make progress forward and not go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.70. Any sort of closes below it, worst yet if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pullback happens and something like this occurs and the price does something like that. What would you have in this situation, even with a pullback? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. It's going to continue. That's hence the term continuation that maybe you hear about in, chart terminology. So where are we defining quote unquote progress, quote unquote continuation? It's all about that $3.70 mark. So that'll be top priority going into tomorrow. We'll see if the price can at least, now, am I saying it's got to get up over $4.50 tomorrow? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying top priority right now is building a higher base, and you don't even have to look back to other charts for an example. You can look back at this one to see why it's healthy to build higher bases. That's what this one's been doing. Over time, it's built higher bases, and over time, the chart has continued to take care of itself. So great movement today. We'll see what the bulls have in store for the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.